Hello, sir. May I get in?
Oh, hello. Yes, please come in. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. How are you today?
I'm alright, sir.
Great. This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 6th of March at Cambridgeshire. The center number is BD 132133. The candidate is 𝐈𝐿TS and the candidate number is 079132. The examiner is SHAFIQ and the examiner number is 433816. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is SHAFIQ. Would you please tell me your full name?
My full name's 𝐈𝐿TS.
Great. And how would you like me to address you?
You may call me by my last name, Polo.
All right, Polo. Could I see your identification, please?
Of course, sure. Here you go, sir.
Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Thank
Right.
you, sir.
In the first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
I do study. Recently, I have passed my diploma in chemical engineering from Dhaka Polytechnic Institution.
Right. Great. Did you enjoy your subject?
Yes, I enjoyed very much.
All right. So let's talk about how do you spend your holidays?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what do you do in your holidays?
During my holiday, I like to unwind and relax. I often spend time with my family and friends, engage in hobbies, explore new places, and simply take some time for self-care and rejuvenation.
Great. So who do you usually spend the holiday with?
Well, I usually spend my holidays with my family and close friends. It's a great opportunity to bond, create memories, and enjoy each other's company.
Great. Do you prefer traveling alone or in a group?
It depends on the situation and my mood. Sometimes I enjoy the freedom and independence of traveling alone as it allows me to explore at my own pace. On the other hand, traveling in a group can be more fun and enjoyable as I can share my experience and make lasting memories together.
Great. So why are holidays important to you?
Well, holidays are important to me that because they provide a much needed break from my routines and responsibilities of daily life. They allow me to recharge, experience new things, and create cherished memories. Holidays also provide an opportunity to spend quality time with loved ones and strengthen relationship.
If you could take a holiday anywhere in the world, where would you go to?
If I could take a holiday anywhere in the world, I would love to visit the Maldives because the pristine beaches, crystal clear water, and some stunning coral reefs have always fascinated me. It seems like a perfect destination to unwind, relax, and indulge in the nature of beauty.
Great. Let's move on to talk about your house, your favorite spot, and your plans for the future.
Okay, so
What do you usually do in your flat, house, or room?
well, in my house, I engage in various activities depending on the time and day. I spend time with my family, cook meals, watch movies or TV shows, read books, work on personal projects, and relax in my room.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived in my current house for about 3 years. It has become a comfortable and familiar place that I call home.
Great. Do you plan to live there for a long time?
As of now, I don't have any immediate plan to move. However, future circumstances and opportunities might influence my decision. For now, I am content with my current living arrangements.
Which part of your home do you like the most?
Well, I particularly enjoy spending time in my living room because it's a cozy and welcoming space where my family and I gather to relax, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. The living room has a comfortable sofa, a warm ambience, and is filled with personal touches that it make a special place within my home.
Alright, so now let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. And in this part of the speaking test, I'm going to give you a topic. And I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. So you have 1 minute to plan what you are going to say, and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, so here's your paper, pencil, and this is your topic. So I'd like you to describe a website you often visit.
Yes.
All right? Can you please start making notes? Remember, you have 1 minute to make notes. All right, your time's up. Could you please stop making notes? Okay, now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when time's up. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so could you please start speaking now?
Well, I'm going to describe a website that I often visit, which is an online news platform called Newsbus. Newsbus is a website that provides up-to-date news and information on various topics, including current events, politics, entertainment, technology, and more. It covers both national and international news, ensuring a comprehensive coverage of important stories. I first discovered Newsbuzz when I was searching for a reliable source of news online. I wanted to stay informed about the latest happening around the world and have access to diverse perspectives on different issues. Through a search engine, I came across this website and decided to explore it further. Since I have been visiting Newsbuzz on a daily basis, I make it a habit to check the website in the morning to catch up on the latest update news. It has become an integral part of my routine to stay informed about my aware of what's happening in the world. The reason I often visit Newsbuzz is because it offers a wide range of news articles that are well written and unbiased. The platform covers a variety of topics, allowing me to stay informed about different areas of interest. I appreciate the fact that the website presents information in a clear clear and concise manner. Furthermore, Newsbus provides a user-friendly interface and allowing me to customize my news preference. I can choose specific categories or topics that I want to follow. Ensure that the content I see is my relevant to my interests. My personalized experience, Newsbus is very friendly website for me. That because they ensure what happening in my country, the topics.
All right, your time's up. All right, so you've been telling me about a website you often visit. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in the final 5 minutes of this test, I'd like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this. All right, so let's discuss how websites and online platforms influence our daily browsing habits.
Sure, please go on.
Okay, so how has the internet influenced people's browsing habit and the website they visit?
The internet has greatly influenced people's browsing habits by providing easy access of information and a wide range of websites. With the internet, people can conveniently search for a specific topic or interest, find websites that cater to their needs.
What are some advantages of using online platforms for accessing information compared to traditional sources?
Online platforms offer several advantages over traditional sources for accessing information. Firstly, they provide instant access to a vast amount of information from various reliable sources. Additionally, online platforms often offer interactive features such as comment section and forums.
How do websites tailor their content to attract and retain visitors?
Websites tailor their content by considering their target audience's preference and interest. They may analyze user data, conduct survey, or use feedback to understand what users find appealing. By creating relevant and engaging content, websites aim to attract and retain visitors.
Great. In your opinion, what makes a website user friendly?
In my opinion, a user-friendly website is characterized by its easy of navigation, clear layout, and interest design. It should have a logical structure, easily accessible menus, and a search function to help users find what they're looking for. Additionally, a user-friendly website should load quickly and be optimized for different devices.
What role do social media platforms play in driving website traffic?
Social media platforms play a significant role in driving website traffic as they allow to share links and content with their networks. By utilizing social media strategies, website can reach a large audience and attract more visitors to their platforms.
Lovely. How can websites ensure the security and privacy of their users?
Websites can ensure the security and privacy of their users by implementing robust security measures such as encrypted connections, secure logging systems, and regular updates of apps. They should also have clear privacy policies, user permission for data collection, and provide for user to privacy settings.
All right, Paula, that's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.